It is time to go all in with our $1 million. Guys, remember about my challenge that I started in the last video. If you haven't seen my last video, I'm going to link it up here. Check it out. Where I announced that I'm doing a crazy challenge in turning $1 million into $10 million in under 1 year through trading, day trading, swing trading, altcoins, everything, blah, 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 in one account, which is this account right here, UID. You can see it on your screen right here. So one account, $1 million into $10 million in under a year. Tell me in the comments, do you think I'm going to succeed or not? But in the previous video, we already discussed some of the trades I'm taking, also discussed some of the coins I'm buying, some of the copy trading accounts I'm following to get to those 10 million. And today we're going to be adding a bit more to the portfolio. I'm going to show you one token that I purchased, also the trades I'm gearing up for, because to make 10 million out of a million, we need to speed this shit up. So that's why I'm going all in with this million, bit by bit and step by step. So, and actually already since the last video, we have $15,000 in profits, which is again pretty funny, pretty crazy. So anyway, let's just jump into this. We have so many updates to talk about because I'm going to be updating you about every single freaking move I'm doing, so again, guys can see and replicate if you wanted to. So subscribe, hit that notification bell. No one has officially done a challenge from 1 million to 10 million. There are people who done 10,000 to 100,000, maybe 100,000 to 1 million, which is quite frankly a lot easier than 1 million to 10 million, simply because if you're doing a challenge from 10K to 100K, you're not risking 1 million, you're risking 10K. So psychologically, it's 100 times easier. And when you're trading with 1 million, you also start seeing some issues with liquidity, this and so, and plus psychology. So those who are saying, oh, Thomas, 10,000 is so much more difficult. I've been there. I've done it. It's easier, much easier than million into 10 million. Then maybe we'll do a challenge from 10 million to 100 million. These are different ball games, psychologically and technically as well. So let's get into it. We already have $15,000 in profits. What I want to show you first, very important, certainly, I'm trading over on Bybit, and if you want a $30,000 bonus on Bybit and also other incredible benefits, which I'm going to show you in just a second, then you can use my exclusive link down in the description of this video and join Bybit. And also it's just a safe exchange in general, and all deposited users get access to my crypto signals community, which there is a link to down in the description of this video. So there's a lot of bonuses. So if you're not on Bybit and if you haven't used my link to Bybit, you can always create a new account using a driver's license or some other form of ID. So first thing I want to show you before I show you Bitcoin is Ethereum. And look at Ethereum. We spoke about it previously, and as you might remember, this just pains me so much that my entry into the long area, as I showed you before, was 2150 and 2350, and I was trying to enter at the bottom of this range. God damn it! And I missed the trade by $17 because my entry price was 2150. So and now, if you actually took this zone as you were supposed to, then we are actually at our second take profit area, which is like 2,900 and 3,000. So this was our first take profit area, second. So congratulations, Mr. Spot On hits again. So, but anyway, it is what it is. And the next one, last take profit area is like 34 to 3,600. But remember, be mindful of this resistance, $3,000, just psychological level, overall liquidity level, big extension that we've seen now. And this narrative of spot Ethereum ETF is going to keep plowing. So I think we're going to see higher prices on ETH. But we'll see. For now, it is a very important level at 3,000, which just historically has also been very important for us. So be mindful of it. We could see some kind of a pullback from 3K down to maybe even 27.6. And this actually would be the area possibly where we would actually entertain the possibility for entering into an extra long trade also for our entire portfolio here as well. So, but for now, just wanted to give you a brief update on ETH. It's looking quite good, and hope you've listened to me, because Mr. Spot On is giving you good trades. So, but now let's discuss what is of utmost importance right now, and that is Bitcoin and everything that is currently happening and everything I want you guys to pay attention to and what I'm going to be doing for this entire trading challenge for now, because we need to put in some trades. We need some trades. So before we discuss those, let me quickly go over what we purchased for the spot portfolio. And then we're going to discuss some more interesting stuff in terms of like the liquidity on Bitcoin and the trades we could be taking with high leverage and stuff, because for now we're just mostly spot. Because actually even Apex keep performing really well. So far we have a very good profit on Apex. ETH is performing okay. Beam is starting to perform quite well. TIA is pulling us a bit. This is the new addition. The new addition is Trust Wallet, TVT, TWT, TWT USDT. I think it is going to be an incredible investment long-term into this bull market. So in 2024, 2025 in general, I've been accumulating it for my previous portfolio and for this one as well. And as you can see here, I actually set out orders to buy more TVT, TWT at the prices of 80 cents, 90 cents, $1, $1.10, and $1.20, and the total amount, as you can see, $20,000, $15,000, 15, 11, 5. So if we go lower on TWT on Trust Wallet, because it's a very important DEX solution, so to speak, something that owned by Binance, even though they're trying to stay away from it, saying that it's not ours, but they acquired it fully. So this is something that could go to $10. So that could do a 10x for us, and this here could turn into $500,000. So this is what I just added to our portfolio here on Bybit, just overall to the spot holding, and I'm gonna keep adding a bit more slowly. But for now, those who did not perform well, like our meme coin trades, Ladies, Grape, Bob, and Venu still sitting in the same place, so be it. Now, quick update about our copy trading. And copy trading also did, I actually did $500 in copy trading as well. So we have both Kralow high risk and Kralow trades, both profitable. And also, if you guys want to follow, this is actually, I'm following my own team where they're taking quick scalp trades and day trades. And if you want to follow us, I mean, our success rate is pretty crazy. 46 wins, 1 loss. 34 wins, 5 losses, but that's the high risk one. So if you want to copy us, you need to follow instructions right here at copykralowtrades.com. I'll leave a link down in the description in this video as well if you want to just click one link from your phone or computer and just copy all the trades we take. It's up to you. You can do that as well. Now let's get to Bitcoin. Let me show you what I'm thinking right now. That is that Bitcoin actually has stalled at 52,000 and may foreshadow imminent pullback before higher prices. So do we agree with this? So here we have two actual scenarios, both of which will be more than tradable for our portfolio here on Bybit for our $1 million to $10 million challenge. And the idea is as follows. So when I'm looking at this, could this be the case that from 52K we're going to dump a bit lower? And the answer is it's possible. We don't really think it's going to happen, but let me just show you our reasoning and thinking. First, what we're looking at is the funding rate. A lot of people are saying, oh, so many people are currently long. In reality, it's not really the case. You know, we don't have that much retail still jumping in. Not yet. So a huge, incredible long squeeze like this dump to kick people out could happen, therefore, a bit later, because we still have a lot of liquidity above. We already have some liquidity below, but we already have some liquidity, still have a lot of liquidity above, all the way up to $58,000. And if we look at some of the blocks, which is very important, this is the heart of the market. You understand, where are those sellers? Where is this liquidity? Where is the money standing? And we actually are seeing right here that we have some blocks at 55, 57, and 59,000, which kind of makes sense for us to push it even higher to surprise people even more, because this entire bull run has been quite a big surprise for a lot of people. And once we actually pull much harder, this is when we're going to have that correction down to maybe even something like 45K. Again, just ups and downs, but these are the ones we want to take part as being part of this, our entire portfolio, to make 10 million out of 1 million. So that brings me to the actual setup and to the actual trade. And also, if we're going to just zoom out on the daily chart with the EMA ribbon, we're going to see that we always have a big, let me just change this to the brush. We also have big extension, then some kind of consolidation and retest of the EMA ribbon, then the same thing we've seen here when we had the sell the ETF news type of an event. And now we're actually accelerating away from the EMA ribbon, which is very beneficial. It looks amazing and stuff. However, it cannot keep happening forever. So for this, we have two scenarios. First, actually, is our shorting scenario, which I've discussed in the previous video. If we actually keep pushing based on what we were saying right now, which is just technically and in terms of on-chain is more than possible, we would be shorting from 55, from 57, and 58.8 with a stop above 60 as a hedge for the portfolio and just for a degen type of a trade. If we do actually go down from, I don't know, maybe we come to 54 and then we actually go into a correction that always happens. There always has to be, it's not like Bitcoin is gonna die, it's just a correction, and it's a tradable one. So if it does go down from here or from anywhere in this vicinity, I'm not gonna be taking a short trade most likely, unless I'm gonna update you, so subscribe to that notification bell. Our longing area is going to be 48, like, you know, I always like to put in a staircase, so like 48.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4 into 48.8 with a stop loss below like 47.5, and this would also coincide really nicely with a very important level of 48,000, which actually, if you remember, we spoke about previously, because it is just, I guess, in the weekly chart, it has been a very important level for us. Yeah, it has been a very important level for us. It has been, actually has had many order blocks in that area. So therefore, we could see, just hypothetically, again, everything is just about probabilities and always being, you know, if you're more wrong than right, then you have to have proper risk and money management to still make money. That's the point. That's what made me millions of dollars throughout the years of my trading career. So possibly, even if we go up into the most beautiful setup, would be for us to actually go into, let me go to daily. It would be just so beautiful to actually have this incredible short squeeze continue into like 58 and then correct to 48 and then move off. And this was what we would really love to take with big leverage. Again, not financial advice, just what we are doing for this $1 million challenge. But this would be the perfection. But again, will it happen precisely like this? Most likely not. So we will play along with what we get and what we have. So I'm going to keep you guys updated, because this is going to pose incredible opportunities. And we need to turn this 1 million into 10. And we already have just $15,000 on our side. So please share this video, share this challenge with your friends and family members, colleagues, whatever. Help me out. There's a share button down below here on YouTube. I really would appreciate it. And certainly remember about copy trading and about all the links down in the description of this video. And certainly check out this quick tutorial as to how to trade Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies with proper risk and money management. Because when you see the trade I'm taking is one thing, but you need to be able to actually copy them properly, unless you're doing direct copy trading at copykralowtrades.com. As always, peace and love. Thomas Kralow. Stay very smart, very rich, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.